Be Sure to Cook. Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making sweet potato fries, so stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so now we're going to be taking a very sharp knife and we're going to cut this. Okay, so let's cut these fries. Okay, I'm going to use like a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm just going to fluff these all over with the olive oil. Make sure they get nice and coated with olive oil. We're going to be using some salt to give them some flavor. Okay, so I've got my pan here, and I'm just going to use, once again, I'm going to use some vegetable olive oil cooking spray. You can use any kind of cooking spray you like. So I'm just going to spread these around on a tray, a nice big tray, and make sure they're not really touching each other. Let's do this for about 25 to 35 minutes. We just want them fork tender. All right. Whew, these are hot. Take them off. It's still hot. These fries are still smoking hot, but they just tender. Okay, so I have baked these, and I'm taking them off my pan. Okay, my oil is ready, and I'm just going to shake some of the excess cornstarch off of my fries. My potato skin fries that I've already baked. They've cooked down a lot. And I put cornstarch on them once they're nice and cool. And I'm shaking the cornstarch off of the fries, and I'm sticking them in the fryer. Okay, guys, I'm taking some brown sugar, and I'm gonna use like 1/3 cup of brown sugar. I'm just gonna add like a dash or so, 2 shakes of some allspice, 1 shake of nutmeg. There you go. Just a little shake of ground cinnamon. Okay, so I've got some lemon juice here, and I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of lemon juice inside of my sugar mixture. I'm going to do a half an orange. So I'm going to cut this in half. Okay, so I've got my juicer, which I am going to juice this orange. So with this butter, I am going to be using a teaspoon of that butter in there. So let's put this on the stove and let's get to cooking it. It's got everything in it. All right, I've got a whisk here, and I'm just going to whisk up all of my ingredients. Oh, yeah, yum, yum, yum. Okay, we're going to get this to cook, and we melted that butter right on in there. Okay, in a little bowl, I've got a teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, as it's trying to cool, I put a teaspoon of apple juice. So you're going to have apple juice. A teaspoon of apple juice in here, rapid cooked to make it more emulsified, and we're gonna have to pour. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna pour it in a little tray where we can dip our fries at. It's gonna be our glazed fry sauce. And when it cools, it's gonna get a little thick. With our delicious, and this is the sauce that we made. See how thick that is? Like ketchup, right? But it's a sweet sauce. If you don't want the sweet sauce, you don't have to make it. Substitute it with salt. Just regular salt on your fries. But there they go.